first question, tell me, what company do you represent?
The company name is BetterWayz with a Z. So it's one word, BetterWayz with a W-A-Y-Z.
Excellent. Okay. And tell us a little bit about your company.
So I formed BetterWayz as an entity where we could develop products that would bring people more safe self-sufficiency as their body starts to deteriorate or as they are, recovering from injury, etc.
Okay. Now, before we went on camera, you tell me a little story about how this piece of furniture came to be. Can you tell me that story?
Certainly. So my mother fell and broke her hip about a little over a year ago. And when she was at home recovering, the table next to her just had piles of stuff all over it. And for her, it was hard because she didn't like everyone seeing her mess. But she also didn't want me bringing things all the time. She wanted to be able to do things herself. And so I told her, we need a table where you can actually store things she couldn't sit forward in her chair due to the nature of the break of her hip. And so what I did was I worked out a design solution to allow her to be able to sit in her chair and easily glide open the table and have access to the storage that exists inside the table, and then pull back the top drawer, which has self-organized. You can organize any way you want with these dividers. Yeah. It keeps everything where it belongs. And so further, she had all kinds of cords all over the floor. And so what we did was we designed it so that there's a hole in the bottom. You can drop a power cord through it, and you can bring your say you want to charge your iPhone while you're sitting at your chair. You can pull your iPhone cord out, close the table up, and it's held out of the way so that it doesn't pinch. And when you're done, you slide it back open, you unplug, and it just very easily pulls back in. Store all your cords where they belong, all your stuff and it's out of sight, but it also is a piece of furniture that looks like just a regular piece of furniture, not like you're a sick person living in your own home.
That's fantastic. This is an organized person's dream right there. That is their ideal piece of furniture. I love it. And so tell me, how would people find out more about your company?
Everything's on our website, which is www.BetterWayz Solutions, one word, BetterWayz with a Z, solutions.com.
Okay. Are you on any of the social media sites?
Actually, we have a Facebook page and a Facebook group.
Very good. Thank you so much for your time, Therese. I appreciate it.
Thanks so much.